Bacteria that retain the purple or violet color after undergoing the Gram staining procedure are classified as which of the following? Gram positive bacteria, Gram negative bacteria, acid fast bacteria, non-spore forming bacteria. And the correct answer is option A, that is Gram positive bacteria. A dairy cow develops pustular and crusting lesions on the skin of the udder, a condition known as udder impetigo. Which microorganism is most commonly responsible for this condition? Streptococcus agalactiae, Corynebacterium bovis, Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli. And the correct answer is option C, that is Staphylococcus aureus. Shearer's cord or botryoomycosis of the spermatic cord in horses is most commonly caused by Staphylococcus aureus, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Streptococcus equi, Corynebacterium pseudotuberculosis. And the correct answer is option A, that is Staphylococcus aureus. Glanders in horses is caused by which of the following organism? Burkholderia pseudomeli, Burkholderia meli, Streptococcus equi, Rhodococcus equi. And the correct answer is option B, that is Burkholderia meli. During the acid-fast staining procedure, heat is applied to the bacterial smear primarily to perform which function? Decolorizer, mordant, counterstain, fixative. And the correct answer is option B, that is mordant. Ultra high temperature or UHT pasteurization of milk is typically performed at what temperature and duration? 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, 150 degrees Celsius for 1 to 3 seconds, 100 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And the correct answer is option C, that is 150 degrees Celsius for 1 to 3 seconds. One of the following antimicrobial drugs is effective against Mycoplasma infections: penicillin, tetracycline, cephalexin, ampicillin. And the correct answer is option B, that is tetracycline. Sulfonamide antibacterial drugs act by inhibiting which bacterial metabolic process? Cell wall synthesis, protein synthesis, folic acid synthesis, nucleic acid replication. And the correct answer is option C, that is folic acid synthesis. Which of the following antibacterial drugs exerts its effect by inhibiting bacterial DNA gyrase? Penicillin, tetracycline, sulfonamide, ciprofloxacin. And the correct answer is option D, that is ciprofloxacin. Black leg, a highly fatal disease of cattle characterized by sudden death and muscle necrosis, is caused by Clostridium septicum, Clostridium chovi, Clostridium perfringens, Clostridium tetani. And the correct answer is option B, that is Clostridium chovi. Bacillary hemoglobinuria, a disease of cattle characterized by hemoglobinuria and liver lesions, is caused by Clostridium septicum, Clostridium chovi, Clostridium perfringens, Clostridium hemolyticum. And the correct answer is option D, that is Clostridium hemolyticum. Big head disease in rams, characterized by severe swelling of the head and neck due to edema and emphysema, is caused by Clostridium chovi, Clostridium novyi type A, Clostridium perfringens type D, Clostridium septicum. And the correct answer is option B, that is Clostridium novyi type A. Black disease in sheep, characterized by sudden death and liver necrosis, is caused by Clostridium chovi, Clostridium perfringens type D, Clostridium novyi type B, Clostridium septicum. And the correct answer is option C, that is Clostridium novyi type B. Lamb dysentery, a severe enteric disease of young lambs, is primarily caused by Clostridium perfringens type A, Clostridium perfringens type D, Clostridium septicum, Clostridium perfringens type B. And the correct answer is option D, that is Clostridium perfringens type B. Struck, an acute and often fatal enterotoxemia of adult sheep characterized by hemorrhagic intestines, is primarily caused by Clostridium perfringens type A, Clostridium perfringens type B, Clostridium perfringens type C, or Clostridium septicum. And the correct answer is option C, that is Clostridium perfringens type C. Pulpy kidney disease, an acute enterotoxemia of sheep characterized by sudden death and kidney lesions, is primarily caused by Clostridium perfringens type A, Clostridium perfringens type B, Clostridium perfringens type C, or Clostridium perfringens type D. And the correct answer is option D, that is Clostridium perfringens type D. Which of the following Clostridium species is characterized by drumstick terminal spores on microscopic examination? Clostridium perfringens, Clostridium septicum, Clostridium tetani, Clostridium jovi. And the correct answer is option C, that is Clostridium tetani. Limber neck, a flaccid paralysis disease in chickens, is primarily caused by botulism type A, botulism type B, botulism type C alpha, botulism type D. And the correct answer is option C, that is botulism type C alpha. Lemsiectae or Loewen disease in cattle, characterized by flaccid paralysis and recumbency, is primarily caused by botulism type A, botulism type B, botulism type C, botulism type D. And the correct answer is option D, that is botulism type D. Which Bacillus species typically produces medusa head colonies on agar, a characteristic feature used for its identification? Bacillus anthracis, Bacillus cereus, Bacillus subtilis, Bacillus thuringiensis. And the correct answer is option A, that is Bacillus anthracis. The microscopic arrangement of Corynebacterium diphtheri is often described as resembling beaded chains, Chinese letters, medusa head, drumsticks. And the correct answer is option B, that is Chinese letters. Which diagnostic test is used to demonstrate the presence of Bacillus anthracis in clinical samples through precipitation of its antigens? Sheik test, coagulase test, Weil-Felix test, Ascoli ring test. And the correct answer is option D, that is Ascoli ring test. What is the primary etiological agent of pink eye, that is infectious bovine keratoconjunctivitis in cattle? Listeria monocytogenes, Mycoplasma bovicolli, Moraxilla bovis, Clearia annulata. And the correct answer is option C, that is Moraxilla bovis. Mesophilic bacteria grow best at moderate temperatures. Which of the following temperature ranges represents their optimal growth? 0 to 20 degrees Celsius, 15 to 30 degrees Celsius, 25 to 40 degrees Celsius, 45 to 70 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer is option C, that is 25 to 40 degrees Celsius. Psychrophilic bacteria grow best at low temperatures. Which of the following temperature ranges represents their optimal growth? 0 to 20 degrees Celsius, 15 to 30 degrees Celsius, 25 to 40 degrees Celsius, 45 to 70 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer is option A, that is 0 to 20 degrees Celsius.